Ewo Emeka. Yes, what you have heard is actually really true. I am having Igbo lessons, and my Igbo teacher is Mrs. Amaka, and I have heard that you are finding it difficult to learn Igbo. So I made this video to help you. Today, you're going to be learning greeting. Good morning is Otutu Ama, but in some parts in Igbo land, they use Igbo Olachi. Ehihie Ọma is good afternoon. Mgbede Ọma is good evening. Kachifo is good night. So if someone tells you Kachifo, in some parts of Igbo land, they usually reply by saying Kabo. If someone gives you something, and as a vote of thanks, you should say Dalo, which means thank you. Now, to make sentences with what you have learned. Otutu Ọma onye nkuzi anyị. That is, good morning, my teacher. My teacher is our teacher is onye nkuzi anyị. Mgbede ọma nne is good evening, my mother. Ehihie ọma nna m, good afternoon, my father. So please get prepared because our next class is going to be treating family members in order to improve your skills of greeting. Ndewo Emeka. I hope you practice what you learned in the last class because today we are learning some family members. Father, nna, mother, nne, parents, nne na nna, your parents, nne na nna gị, your, gị, is, bụ, big, Igbo, everyone, onye ọbụla. I also want to teach you tongue twister, which is okwu ntabire in Igbo. Seamstress. Please listen carefully to the pronunciation. Seamstress. Are you crying because the chicken laid an egg on the clothes you kept on the bed? Nwaanyị na-akwa akwa. Ị na-akwa akwa na ọkụkọ yiri akwa n'elu akwa. Ịkwara akwa nọ n'elu akwa. Now for me to say it quickly. Nwaanyị na-akwa na ọkụkọ na ọkụkọ yiri akwa n'elu akwa. Ịkwara akwa nọ n'elu akwa. Please, it takes lots of practice to be able to say it quickly. Make sure you practice it. Now, we'll learn some names of places, parts of the body, and names of things. We'll start with some names of places. And on the way, we will make some sentences with some of the words. Market. Ahịa. Sentence. Ọ gagidere wepụta ahịa, meaning she walked and reached the market. School, ụlọ akwụkwọ. House, ụlọ. Hospital, ụlọ ọgwụ. Forest, ọhịa. Now we move to the parts of the body. Head, isi. Isi na-afụ m ụfụ. My head is paining me. Head, hand, aka. Leg, ụkwụ. Stomach, afọ. Tongue, itabire. And finally, some names of things. Cup, iko. Spoon, ngazi, or some people use ngaji.